hungry. All right. Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
And today, we're going to be opening up this Wendy's advent calendar. And if you remember our McDonald's advent calendar, if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it.
And you guys said you guys requested Wendy's for our next advent calendar video. Also, Christmas is long gone, but you guys said you would still watch it if we did one of these.
And these are super cool. So, I mean, Christmas season or not, we want to open up these advent calendars.
Because it's food. Who doesn't want food?
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
Micah.
Okay.
The Wendy's game show. Let's go.
Now we're gonna
Get
do
right to it.
This is number 1. Okay. What is this? This is a Son of a Baconator, which is what I ordered. So that's great. Thanks. I will enjoy.
It's giant.
Who's next?
This is actually just a regular Baconator.
This is numero dos. Got some fries.
Whoa. Now it's time for number 3.
They're a tad cold, but
This is a little toy for Micah.
it's your merry day, Micah.
It's a bee, and you can add little things to it, like the speech bubble.
Wings.
Here you go.
Oh, it's my turn.
Number 4.
We're on number 4 now. Ooh, looks like a few fries. Wait, these are nugs. And fries! Micah never eats his nugs. Okay, a bunch of fries are falling out in here, so sorry, Micah. Here you go. I'm gonna steal one of his nugs.
Wow.
Sorry, Micah.
So now it's Noah's turn.
This is number sink. What is this? I think it might be a spicy chicken wrap.
Spicy chicken wrap.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Wendy's, sponsor
Food
us.
reviews.
Number 6.
These fries have a very good ratio of salt content.
That's true.
Fry,
That's something Wendy's does very well.
and I'm very
Salad?
impressed.
None of these.
And you know, if you get nuggets,
What is
those
this?
are Baconator fries.
What are Baconator fries?
Something I have never tried.
Nuggets are still good
These-
when they're cold though.
These are apparently Baconator fries, and they have cheese and bacon on them. There's not that much cheese.
I just tried it. Look at that. Okay,
Grab a fry and go.
They're a bit soggy.
what I'd say, add a little mayonnaise.
No.
Yeah, I agree.
Signature Wendy's mayonnaise that are on these burgers.
But there's barely any cheese in here.
Yeah, okay. Wendy's,
That could just be a case
you
of
could
our
definitely
Wendy's.
improve.
It's good though.
I think it's a case of our Wendy's. It's my turn. Now I'm number 7, so. It looks like a board.
There you go, I was right.
Looks like a chicken.
So this is a chicken sandwich. Jonah pulled it out, but it is my order because it's what I normally order at Wendy's.
It's not a burger, that's a chicken sandwich.
It's a burger.
It's a burger.
What
With
constitutes a
chicken
burger as a
substitute.
burger?
It is spicy.
It's
That's
my,
our dad's.
That's our
That's
father.
my chicken sandwich.
All right, it is my turn. Whoa, whoa. Micah, I know. Shamrock Farms, exclusive gourmet low-fat chocolate milk
Chalky milk.
with 4 M's. 4 M's. Milk.
Mmm,
No,
milk.
no.
Man, that's some chalky milk. Did you see that? He went like,
He examined it.
Micah?
Now it's number 9. Number 9. Ooh, what's this?
this is it.
Ooh, what's
There's
this?
some anticipation.
Oh, what's this? This is a 100% pure beef, never frozen beef burger.
Did you know that Wendy's is fresh, never frozen?
Please sponsor us. Also, this is a very baby burger.
That's a cute burger. I actually haven't eaten a regular Wendy's burger in so long. It's probably delicious.
It's good. It's a bit cold, but good.
Superb.
This is a video of us with bad manners.
That's a good burger.
It is a good burger.
On to number 10, like the iPhone 10. Sponsor us, Apple. I'm gonna be opening it. Ooh, Micah, it's your lucky day.
What is it?
Another toy.
It's another kid's toy.
Look at this beautiful boy. Micah, what is his name?
Finish what? Like a puzzle.
Bobby. Bobby.
Bobby.
This is Bobby.
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 Bobby did
That's
right.
not Bobby.
Micah knows
Wait,
it's
no.
not Bobby. We lost Bobby. You don't know who Bobby is, but we lost him.
Bobby's gone.
Okay, go ahead, Noah.
We're gonna open up ohms, which is 11 in French.
Like how to count. What's that, Noah?
We've got ourselves some gourmet Shamrock Farms low-fat
Milk.
I'm stabbing her.
Poor Wendy, man.
That was like brutal.
Whoa.
You know that?
Nugs, early nugs?
Remember when the Baconator was introduced and then they took it off the menu and now it's back for good?
Hi, is Wendy working today? These are baby chicken nuggets.
Baby little
I want a
ones.
chicken nug.
We can all eat some nugs.
I love nugs. 1 second, let me finish my nug. Let's get right on into number 13.
Satisfying.
we got French fries.
Whoa, there's something behind it. Is it more fries?
Oh my gosh. Guess what? Behind the fries we've got more fries!
Oh man!
Never skip pan day. I mutilated this box of fries.
Hey, we're only at 14. That was very satisfying.
Is that a salad? Did you know that Wendy's introduced salads to their menu in the 1990s?
No.
Well, now you do.
Okay, so this is a baked potato.
Open it up.
It comes with. Let's open it up.
What does it come with?
Ooh, that
It
was
comes with
juicy. Okay,
light sour cream
and buttery spread.
That's really good.
Look, it's the shape of a heart.
Yeah, but you still clean the frame. And it's
Oh.
Show this.
I'm trying.
The most perfect heart-shaped one I've ever seen.
Good job, Wendy's.
That's so cute.
Noah, aspirational prom with that.
Now I'm opening up number 15.
Look at Mike over there.
Whoa, I see a burger.
Whatever burger.
What? You want your chalky milk?
Chalky milk. When you open the fridge and all you see is chalky milk.
It's a burger with 100% never frozen pure beef.
Never frozen.
I don't.
Fresh.
Do you want a bite of this square patty?
Brothers, it's square patty.
He says no. So I'll just.
I'll
set
take
it.
a bite.
That was like the most straightforward
What?
milk.
Bite?
You just refused.
Now it's my turn. 16.
16. That was my age last year.
That will be
my age next year.
That will be my age in 2 years.
Could we get any more fries?
Yes.
Guess what? It's fries.
That's great.
They're gonna go into the bin. Not like the trash bin, into the bin of Baconator fries.
Okay, this is 17. I am 17 years old. And in French, that is decept.
Nice.
Learn your French with.
Oh my goodness, I just hit my ankle and now it's like really
How did you hit your ankle?
Okay,
What did
like,
you hit it on?
I hit it with my toe and it's like really... Apple salad!
Apple
Yummy,
slices.
yummy!
Apple
That's
bites
for Micah.
Micah does like fruit.
Micah, you love fruit, don't you?
I like fruit.
Emma has tainted it with her
30% of the food Micah eats are all strawberries. Actually, probably a little bit more than that. But the rest is all
Check that out,
milk.
Micah. I know, look at that, it's an apple.
Martin Luther King Jr.
It's on the airplane.
Apples are
Apple.
my second favorite fruit.
Apple!
Fruit.
Apple.
He's stacking it. He's a genius.
Babu.
Babu.
Babu!
Number 18.
Wow.
This is a baby chicken sandwich.
No, that.
It's good? It's good? It's good? Let me give it some give us some input. You need to speak your
How
opinion.
are you feeling? Kylie, are you okay?
This is a great chicken sandwich.
Emma can't do this.
Okay, let's go on to number 19. Pepper it. This is what you do to an attacker.
That's yeah.
Oh, geez.
Right in the eyes.
I thought there was nothing in here and I was gonna be like, be grateful for what you have, and that was gonna be number 19. Okay, Micah. This one's a skeleton. That's pretty
It's
cool.
Sans from
Whoa.
Undertale.
What a beautiful boy.
I'm proud. I'm proud of your craftsmanship, John.
Happy birthday.
We are now gonna open up Vint, which is 20 in French. Is this what I think it is? Are those nugs?
Oh my gosh.
More nugs.
No, they aren't.
Are they more fries? Yes!
How many fries do you get?
Noah, you're gonna knock everything over.
Who's with their combos?
Why'd you order combos? Here.
Because we want one more drink.
I thought you were gonna be.
Community fry bin.
Now it's my turn, and I'm gonna open up number 21.
You cross the border. Canadian border.
I want my nugs.
I am
Are they like the last
lost.
one?
Did we get no nugs?
Let's see. The sugar cookie.
It's a sugar cookie. and-
Stickers. Emma, can I have some of the
I'm gonna give Jonah the normal cookie,
I want some of the double.
and I'm gonna take the most unhealthy one, because it looks great and it tastes great.
And they're very good because cookies are good for you.
Now it's Jonah's turn.
This one's extra warm. Why is it so warm? Noah. No.
And my nugs?
Is it more fries?
No. I said it was warm.
Marinara.
Chili! Marinara sauce. Hold on. Let me move it back. A whole vat of marinara sauce. Just kidding, it's chili.
That actually looks pretty appetizing. The school chili is actually kind of good. Our school makes decent lunches.
Phenomenal! Jeez,
Okay.
everything at Wendy's is great.
A whole lot of chili.
Well, I mean, I want some of that.
Half of that spoon was in Noah's mouth, and there were like 2 beans
Eat
that
it.
he put in it, and then remained on the spoon.
And so the chili was gone.
Let's open up number 23.
Stop. It's right next to the mic.
Is this for fries?
Oh my gosh. If it's more fries, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get down because I'm that is not. It's fries.
Where are Noah's nugs?
Nuggets.
Nuggets. We sure got them fries. I can guarantee that.
I've been looking forward to my nugs all
No, there's a
night.
nug on the floor. Get it. Eat that.
You give all your nuggets
This
to
is the
Michael.
only nug I have. The only nug I have
Wait,
is
dip
a
it in
heart
chili.
nug. Get some B-roll of this. This is my only nug. It represents my broken heart. Because I didn't get my nugs.
You should dip it in chili. Okay. So now let's open up 24. This is a drum roll, please. Okay, I didn't want to be actually serious.
Oh no, it's sideways.
Oh no, this is.
Oh no! It's so cute!
We got two tiny frosties.
We have a vanilla frosty and a junior chocolate frosty. And they're tiny and baby and teeny and precious. And I'm going to eat it.
Don't me, son. This is like the glacier that
Will you
killed
guys
the Titanic.
do the
Oh yeah.
iconic fry and frosty?
Oh yeah,
Good.
sure. Give me.
Do we have any fries?
Can you not
I
have
don't
me on fry?
know. Can you get me a fry? I cannot locate them. There they were.
No.
You got ice cream on the
Oh.
floor.
Oh man. That makes me upset.
I know this is a very common and normal thing for people to do.
That's
I
inhuman,
like it.
Jonah.
It's good.
Yeah, that was good.
Doesn't seem bad.
I'm about to enter the fry frosty
Let
zone.
Micah try a fry dipped frosty. A
Wow.
frosty dipped fry.
Yeah. I think it's more common for it to be chocolate, Emma.
I finished my half of frosty. Comment down below what your favorite item from Wendy's is. this. Mine are nugs, but I didn't get any nugs.
Mine is a son of Baconator.
I like the strawberry lemonade. Make sure to comment down below what other restaurants you want to see us do. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch more videos and click this circle to subscribe.
Micah, what are you doing? Where's Micah? Where's Micah? We don't know.
Michael was funny when he did
That's his outro.